Me Radio Time is now 3:57 in the morning.
Me Radio Time is brought to you by Arena Plus Sportsbook. Arena Plus. Gaming is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
On the court, one truth is clear. Winning is sweet, but it's the losses that build your strength. Every win excites you. Every loss shapes you. We rose above the odds. So can you.
Every player has a story. Begin yours now at arenaplus.ph. Gaming is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. For more information, visit www.padcor.com/regulatory.
Throughout the years of being a broadcast journalist, I stay true to my principles and stand for the truth. Ako si Cheryl Cosim, news anchor and TV host. Mahalaga ang tunay, just like MX3 capsule, tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. May seal of quality excellence pa, with proper diet and exercise. MX3 capsule, dito ako bilib.
Alala, ang MX3 capsule hindi gamot at panggamot sa anumang ililang sakit.
MX3 reminds everyone to stay vigilant against scam messages. The company does not send cash promos via SMS. If you receive a message claiming you won money from MX3 and asking for personal information, do not respond. Always verify announcements through official MX3 channels.
Nangunguna sa balita, opinyon, musika, impormasyon, komentaryo at serbisyo publiko. Ito ang TVME 1530, Radyo TV.
Hi, this is Miriam Bilanco. May 3 anak at kasalukuyan nag-aasikaso ng family business. Partner ko ang aking asawa na si Roger sa ministry. Tinatanong ko noon kung ano bang purpose ng buhay. Kung nakapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral, nakapagtrabaho at pinalad magkapamilya, what's next? Nung nakilala ko si Jesus sa isang Bible study, doon ko nalaman na ang purpose pala ng buhay ay yung pangarapin mo, ang pangarap ng Diyos sa'yo. Si Jesus na nagbigay ng buhay niya para sa akin at nagpatawad sa lahat ng kasalanan ko. At ako'y umaasa sa kanyang pangako. Balang araw ay makakasama ko si Jesus sa kanyang kaharian sa langit. Ang pinaka-importante pala sa buhay ay to follow Jesus. 1 Corinthians 2:9, but just as it is written, things which eye has not seen and ears has not heard, and which have not entered the heart of man, all that God has prepared for those who love Him. Oo, hanggang nandito tayo sa mundong ibabaw, maraming hirap ang ating dadanasin. Iba-iba lang sa bawat tugtog ng ating buhay. Even when I walk through the darkness valley, I will not be afraid. For you are close. Your path Psalm 23 verse 4. Naway matagpuan natin ang pag-asa at lakas mula sa Jesus. I am Miriam. I follow the only one, Jesus.
Follow the only one. Follow Jesus. Brought to you by MX3 Coffee and Tea.